Moringa oil is the ultimate secret for achieving flawless skin and luscious hair. You won't believe the results. All right, let's dive into the world of ancient skincare secrets with Moringa oil. Have you ever wondered how ancient civilizations maintained their glowing skin and luscious hair? Well, one of their best-kept secrets was Moringa oil. Introducing Moringa oil, a powerful natural ingredient that has been cherished for centuries for its remarkable skincare and hair care benefits. This magical oil is packed with nutrients and antioxidants that work wonders for your skin and hair. In today's world, we face numerous skin and hair issues caused by pollution and harsh chemicals. From dry skin to hair loss, the struggle is real. But fret not, because Moringa oil is here to rescue you. Let's explore the incredible properties of Moringa oil that make it a game changer in the world of beauty. With its high content of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, Moringa oil nourishes and rejuvenates your skin, leaving it radiant and healthy. It also helps combat inflammation and promotes hair growth, making it a must-have in your beauty regimen. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, the key benefits of Moringa oil. This miracle oil not only moisturizes your skin deeply, but also reduces redness and inflammation, giving you a clear and glowing complexion. And for your hair, it stimulates hair follicles, promoting stronger and healthier growth. In summary, incorporating Moringa oil into your skincare and hair care routine can work wonders for your overall beauty. Say goodbye to dull skin and lifeless hair. Moringa oil is here to revitalize and rejuvenate you. So what are you waiting for? Join the Moringa oil revolution and experience the magic for yourself. Share your glowing results in the comments below. Try Moringa oil today and let your beauty shine bright like never before.